how this plays out. It's doing it again. No, it isn't. If it isn't, we'll play around with the phone. There it is. There it is. Cool. Amazing how it works today. That's weird. I think it has something to do with that QR code being there. Puts it into sale mode or something. I'm going to have to look at my settings. Sweeney, Mark Sieber. I'm just tagging everybody quick. This is from last night, number 4. And then Mike James is in. Corey Corral. Dominic. Tim Radcliffe. Pedro's in. Marcelo. James. Hey John, how's it going? Oh, that's the wrong one. Mary, we've got Troy. Brian's in again. I think that's it. There you go. Everybody's tagged to it. Alright, these are the other 4. And then I still have a full case. I'll start the next one at 5 o'clock. Just a heads up. I'll tag everybody to it. Maybe we can get another one in tonight. And then I'll have one for tomorrow to wrap up the weekend. And then, yeah, I got other stuff too. Alright, there's 4. Team-wise, we've got Diamondbacks, John Ketteris, Braves, Mike James, Orioles, John Ketteris, Red Sox, Sean Sweeney, Cubs, Mark Sieber, White Sox, Sam Wilson, Reds, Travis Wyndham, Indians, Mike James, Rockies, Corey Corral, Tigers, Mark Sieber, Astros, Dominic Artuso, Royals, Sam Wilson, Angels, Tim Radcliffe, Dodgers, Glenn Richardson, Marlins, Corey Corral, Brewers, Pedro Soto, Twins, Mike James, Mets, Marcelo Erosa, Yankees, James Leary, A's, Glenn Richardson, Phillies, Troy Huber, Pirates, Tim Radcliffe, Padres, Troy Huber, Giants, Sean Sweeney, Mariners, Mark Sieber, Cardinals, Brian Pounds, Rays, Mark Sieber, Rangers, Corey Corral, Blue Jays, Marcelo Erosa, and the Nats, Marcelo Erosa. And that is how it played out on the 4th one. This will wrap up our 2nd case. This stuff's pretty cool. There's a couple of players I'm looking for, though. Bobby Witt and Dominguez. We have not gotten yet. So, they are both due. Let's see if we can get them. I think the 101 Dominguez got pulled. Who was it that just showed me the other night that they got it? I think it was Bruce Evans. Might have been Bruce Evans got it. I don't know. But it looked pretty cool. Alright. Here we go. Sleeves are out. Top loaders are good. Off we go. Saturday afternoon break. It's weird. There's sunlight. Alright. First box. Go. If anybody's interested in hockey, I do have Allure up. That's a pretty cool product. 10-box break. There is that. Sealed. That's sealed. Trying to think of what else. There we go. Looks like we got one of those blockchain cards coming. They're the best. There we go. All right, there's your first box. Hey, Travis. Yeah, Bruce got it. Yeah, he showed me a picture of it. It looks pretty cool. So Dominguez 101 is gone. At least one version of it, anyway. First card, San Diego Padres, Andres Munoz, Jumbo. That one's numbered 47 out of 49 right up here. And that goes to Troy Huber right off the bat. The Padres are on the board. Second card going to the Rays. Brandon Lowe, 17 out of 25, dual relic. That's pretty cool looking. A nice little patch in there. Tampa Bay Rays is Mark Sieber. Rays are getting a couple hits in this case. I think they got one last night, if I remember. No, we weren't. It did blow pretty. It was like really, we had a really bad storm and the wind blew for like 10 minutes and it was gone. Then we have Alex Bregman, Houston, dual relic, red, 32 out of 49. Houston is Dominic Artuso. So we got an Astro on the board. Astro, a Ray, and a Padre. I woke up this morning and balanced the checkbook. That's my favorite thing in the world to do. I love it. And who do we got here? We got Michael King. What is this up here? Yeah, it looks like a little tiny chip out of the corner. Michael King of the Yankees. Rookie patch auto, 66 out of 99. That's going to Leary. Is it? I'm not going to mess with it. Might not be. Might just be a piece hanging off of it, but I'm not touching it. There we go. Michael King. Yankees rookie patch auto. Numbered 66 out of 99. And then we've got... what is this? Dual relic. Rookie card. Red parallel. Gold Sharpie signature clutch Gavin Lux. 27 out of 49 for the Dodgers. Glenn Richardson. There you go, bud. That's pretty nice looking. It's my second Gavin Lux auto out of Immaculate so far this year. That's the first gold Sharpie one now. Nice card. And then we have a debut moments. Oh, what's that one coming up? Debut moments. Patrick Sandoval. I believe that is the Angels. Yep, Angels. Rookie card. 14 out of 99. Dual relic auto. And that's my neighbors. You'll probably hear them weed whacking. I'll get the window open. I might have to shut that. So that's the Angels. That would be Tim Radcliffe. And we got one of these cool monochrome cards. Red parallel version. Sam Hilliard, Colorado Rockies. I know that one. Sweet. 25 out of 49. Relic silver Sharpie autograph. Red parallel. That's going to Corey Carell. Yeah, he took note that there wasn't any Rockies in the first half. And he messaged me. I was like, is there any Rockies pulled yet? I'm like, nope. And he took it and he gets another one of these. I think this is the third one he's gotten monochrome-wise. 2 Isan Diaz's and now a Sam Hilliard. And then we got a blockchain. I believe this is a Dodger. Brusdar Graterol. Rookie dual memorabilia signatures. Pretty sure that is. He was on the Twins a while back, but I think he moved over to the Dodgers. I'm 99.9999% sure. And that one is going... that would go to Glenn. Blockchain. I don't know what these look like. I'm going to have to look these up. They're like online cards. You redeem them. Cool. Little gimmicky, but cool. And that's the first box. Cool. It's amazing what the difference in the case is. Like the first case had certain ones, and now this one is starting to get other teams that weren't pulled in the first one. It's just interesting. There's empty. Alright. There's the seal. There's the other seal. Glenn getting some hits. Alright, what do we got here? I can throw that out. I'll keep that one there. Box 2, good luck. Here we go. Giants, Sean Sweeney starts us off. 42 out of 49. Jumbo, Mauricio Dubon. And we got a Giants hit right off the bat. Sean Sweeney gets on the board. Second card is Mike Trout. Looks like just a jersey card, 34 out of 99 for the Angels. Tim Radcliffe getting his second one. I haven't pulled a Mike Trout auto in a while. We're due. Got a Cal Ripken the other night. Number to 10. That was cool. Let me spin this around. This is the wrong way. Here comes a jacket card with an autograph. Anthony K. Toronto, 9 out of 25. Blue parallel jacket autograph. That's pretty sweet. Going to Marcelo Rosa. There you go. We got his sock card the other night too. So Anthony K's got some cool hits. And there's the wind blowing. Then we got another debut moments, dual relic auto, silver Sharpie. Going to the Cubs, Adbert Alzolay, numbered 4 out of 25. That's cool. It's got a patch. That's a sweet looking card. Picks up win and relief. Debut moments, rookie. Cubs was Mark Sieber. That is cool looking. I like that card. Hey Bruce. I was just telling everybody how you got that 101. Dominguez is not on the table. But it is cool though. And then what do we got here? We have Zach Gallen, rookie patch auto, Diamondbacks. John Ketteris, there you go, bud. That's pretty sweet looking. 23 out of 99. So the D-backs strike again. I think that's their 4th hit in the whole case. Case 1 we had 0. It's just how it goes. So the D-backs get on the board. And this is cool. Look at this. And there's somebody named Corey Carell that'll be happy about this one. Look at that. Isan Diaz. Silver Sharpie debut moments. Homer versus New York Ace. 11 out of 25. Blue parallel. Nice card. Add that to his. He got 2 monochrome Isan Diaz's, and now he's got the debut moment. So the Marlins are on the board. Spreading the teams around. Some cool cards. We're only halfway done. What else we got? Alright, come on. There is the pack. Empty. Alright, we've got sealed and sealed. Oh, 101. I got a 101 coming. I don't know who it is, but let's see here. First card of box 3. Looks like it's going to the Astros. Look at that. Hold on, I'll tell you. George Springer. Houston Astros. Who's got Astros? That would be Dominic Artuso. 101 right there. And that is a printing plate using the manufacturing of the card right here. Beautiful. What am I doing? I'm doing it again. Double sleeve that bad boy. There we are. George Springer, Astros. We pulled a nice one out of Triple Threads last night for Travis, Astro-wise. Team logo. Ricky Henderson, Dodgers. 4 out of 15. That's a pretty sweet card. Glenn Richardson's getting some hits today. There you go, Ricky Henderson. Dodgers team logo. Number to 15. Here comes another cool looking one. Brian Abreu of the Houston Astros. 23 out of 25. Dual, what is that, patches? Yeah, it looks like it. Dual patches autograph. Red parallel number 23 out of 25. That's a sweet looking card. Dominic Artuso again with the Astros. Having a good Astros box. You can see the stitching in there. That's cool. And we got another debut moments card. This one's going to Aquino of the Reds. There you go. 43 out of 49. Memorable rookie season. Autograph. Dual relic red parallel. Reds would be Travis Wyndham. There you go, Travis. Your slump's over. It was over last night, but it's even more over now. Right? Reds, yep. I know what slumps feel like. I break every once in a while. Aquino, Reds. Then we got another one. Colorado, another team. Look at that bad boy. That is Jonathan Daza. Looks like a patch auto, number 2 out of 25 for Corey Carell. That's a nice looking card. So that's a silver parallel. Yeah, it doesn't tell you. You have one, I think, Michael King rookie patch auto so far. And last card of the third box, Michael Baez, San Diego. Another one of these dual patch autographs, 8 out of 15. Wow, that's cool looking too. That's a silver. And that's going to Troy Huber. Second card for the Padres. I think we started with them. Yeah, the corners, it looks like it is. I don't know if I didn't really mess with it. Alright. Last one. Alright. Empty. A pile of tins is almost to the ceiling next to me. It's funny. Alright, there's the seal. Oop. There's the seal. Let me get it back here. Hold on, it's not coming back. Alright. Well, it is what it is. I'm not going to sit there all day doing it. Last one. Last box in this case. Alright, here we go. First card is Charlie Blackmon, Colorado Rockies. Looks like a jersey card, 14 out of 15, red parallel. That is going to Corey Carell. Yeah, I got a case and a half of Sterling. And I got a half a case of Topps Chrome Hobby. So 6 boxes of that. Out of the same case. It's just still left over from before. I have 1 jumbo hobby box of Topps Chrome. I'd do that as a personal, or I would just break it as a random team. It's really cheap if you want. There's 5 autos in it. Oh, here we go. Who's got this? And there's Luis Robert. Jersey number 8 out of 10. Sam Wilson, right? Yep. That is a beauty. 8 out of 10 jersey number Luis Robert card. Wow. First time we're seeing him. That is a beauty. And we got a different one coming up here too. Cool. That is. And then we've got a quad. What is this called? Extra bases. Ryan O'Hearn, Kansas City. Batten looks like 3. Well, the stitching is in, so maybe parts of 3 patches. 19 out of 25, blue parallel on that one. And that's going to Sam Wilson as well. Back to back. He gets Luis Robert jersey number, and he gets a extra bases. Ryan O'Hearn. Would have been crazy if it was Bobby Witt right behind him. That's the first kind of card we've pulled like that. That's cool. That is pretty nice. Now we got a dual bat card. Team Heroes, Bill Mazeroski. Pittsburgh Pirates, 4 out of 10. Autographed dual bat card. Wow, Pirates, Tim Radcliffe. There you go, bud. That's pretty sweet. Number to 10. I think that's the first Pirate card we've pulled. Number to 10. 3 straight awesome cards. Nice box. And then we have a dual patch auto. Number to 15, silver, Jesus Luzardo, Oakland. A's, that'd be Glenn Richardson. There you go, Glenn. Glenn killed it today. There you go. Jesus Luzardo. It's like dual patch autograph, number to 15. And then the final card is going to Isan Diaz. Different version of it. Debut moments. Looks like the gold. 39 out of 99. That's a sweet looking card. 2 more Isan Diaz's. Corey's killing it with him. There you go. Nice. Yeah, you got some Astros. Hold on, I'm going to do a recap here quick. Alright, here we go. We have Isan Diaz debut moments, Marlins. Autographed dual relic. Double patch auto, Jesus Luzardo. A's. Got a sweet dual bat. Autograph, blue parallel number to 10 of Bill Mazeroski of Pittsburgh. Extra bases, Ryan O'Hearn autograph quad relic. It's like 3 patches and a bat, number to 25 for Kansas City. We pulled a Luis Robert jersey number, 8 out of 10 for the White Sox. We got a Charlie Blackmon jersey, red, number to 15 for the Rockies. There's another dual patch auto, number to 15, Michael Baez of the San Diego Padres. We've got a nice patch auto, number to 25 for Jonathan Daza of the Rockies. Debut moments, Aquino from the Reds. Autographed dual relic rookie. There's Brian Abreu of Houston. Dual patch auto, number to 25. And then we've got team logo, Ricky Henderson, number to 15 for the Dodgers. 1 of 1 printing plate, George Springer of the Astros. There's your other one. That's pretty awesome. There's the 1 of 1 right on the back there. Right there. That's sweet. And then we've got Isan Diaz, blue parallel, number to 25. Dual relic auto, Marlins. And what else we got here? We got a Zach Gallen, rookie patch auto, number to 99 for the D-backs. A sweet Adbert Alzolay, number to 25, debut moments, blue parallel. Autograph for the Cubs. Jackets. What is it? K from Toronto, 9 out of 25. Autograph jackets. Then we got a Mike Trout jersey, number to 99. Angels. And then we've got Mauricio Dubon, Giants, jumbo, number to 49. Blockchain. This is Bruised Dark Gratterall. That's a Dodgers hit. It's a rookie dual memorabilia signatures. Blockchain card. Dodgers. There's our monochrome red parallel. Sam Hilliard, Colorado Rockies, 25 out of 49. That's pretty sweet. We've got Patrick Sandoval, dual relic, debut moments autograph. That's the Angels. And we've got Gavin Lux, rookie card, dual relic, gold Sharpie auto, number to 49, rookie. That's sweet. Dodgers. Michael King, Yankees. Yeah, that's the one. It's kind of puffy sticking out. See it? I don't know if it's just pushed forward or not, but they came out like that. Michael King, Yankees. See if maybe I have something else too to send with it. I don't like it when they come out like that. You pay enough money for them. Alex Bregman, dual relic, Houston, number to 49. Dual relic, Brandon Lowe, Tampa Bay, number to 25. That's a silver. And we started with Andres Munoz Jumbo, San Diego, 47 out of 49. Not bad. Some nice hits in that. I got one more case of it on me. I could probably get another if you really want me to keep moving. Maybe even two. We'll see. I'll put the next one up at 5 o'clock. Yeah, you got some there, Dominic. But yeah, nice. I appreciate it. Thank you again. 5 p.m. Next one goes up. I'll tag all of you to it. And yeah, maybe we get another one done tonight. That'll be a brand new sealed case. So who knows what's in it. I appreciate it. I'm here if you need to message me. Thank you again. Have a good one.